Hi, I'm Greg. I'm going to show you how to install the KoruWorks cam angle sensor cover on an SR20. As you can see, they come in a bunch of different colors. On this car, I think we'll choose the black one. Installation's really simple. It's actually only 2 screws on each side of the cam angle sensor. Put it in there, and then lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
Greg miserably failed trying to pull this thing out, and he dropped the screws.
Alright, I can't get it. Yeah, straight ahead. Right there.
And boom, you're good. Greg, I did your job.
Fires at KoruWorks.com.